does exclusivity feature in your life? Let's look with your relationship with security and safety. It's very often a seeking for just to belong somewhere, just to feel belonging, and to feel safe and protected, to feel that there is something that's protecting other than just being self-sufficient and on your own. There's also a uniqueness and a specialness attached to exclusivity. That if we want to feel special, we'll want to make it exclusive. And special is not something that's exclusive. Uniqueness, one of a kind, yes. But you are already unique, so you don't need to be concerned about that. You're already one of a kind. But you don't have to seek for it as an exclusive, because it's an absolute. It's not exclusive, it's absolute. Because exclusivity can foster a sense of being the one and only who matters. But everyone matters. Everyone has a value. And ultimately, in the greater cosmos, there isn't such a thing as an individual. There's only a oneness. And the need for exclusivity also gives you this possessiveness and this need to control situations around you. And sometimes they just look for it because of all these underlying security, and the need for control does strange things to us. And again, there's nothing that you can control, because there's just so many immeasurable choices that's happening right at this moment as we speak. And each one of those choices is going to create a reality, a dimension that's going to be experienced.